It is Saturday, week 2. We are in the castle of the Knights Hospitaller. Behind me, as you can see, are the ruins of actually the Grand Palace. But anyway, today we're going to Lindos, kind of the second kind of biggest kind of town here in Rhodes. Very famous for its beaches and Acropolis and so on. So this is the trip to Lindos. Let's get it. So we are now at the beach at Lindos. We're heading up to the castle over here, and everything's closed. We're like the only tourists here. It's nice to come to a place that's usually jam-packed, and it's actually more of a Greek tiny town. It's pretty quiet, which is what it originally was. But yeah, let's do this trek up the hill to the castle, see some ruins, and get back down to the beach afterwards and eat something. Okay, so we have made it to the top. The ancient temple is here, and it's a pretty interesting place. I mean, it's pretty funny being here with my French friend Pierre, because he's French. The hospitals are mainly French, and of course I'm Greek. And most of the buildings here, same with the old city of Rhodes, Old Town Rhodes, it's Greek built, ancient times, and Byzantine, and then the hospital is built up a lot of the rest of the stuff. So it's very French and Greek. But yeah, no, it's pretty amazing up here. There's the ancient temple and some of the ancient ruins here, and then most of the walls are hospitaller built, and there's a few there's a Byzantine church, so there's a few eras in these walls, let's say. We had some lunch, go back down to the beach, quick Aperol spritz, swim, and we're going back to Rhodes, Old Town Rhodes, in about half an hour, which is about an hour away from here. But yeah, that's our little day trip down to Lindos, and yeah, that's about it. Pretty chilled out day. Ciao.